Hey, what is going on, family? And I just wanted to give a quick review of this new kind of like selfie stick that I got. So there is one in Amazon that is called it's called the GoPro 3-way grip, and this is actually kind of like the knockoff of that. So the price for these is only like $27.99, and the regular price for the GoPro 3-way is kind of like $52. So it's kind of like double of the price. And although I seen it before working it, I actually wasn't willing to pay that much money for something that it shouldn't cost that much, and I want to give you an honest review of this. So currently I have this knockoff version of GoPro, and I'm gonna try and see what's up. How does it work? Is it truly worth it? So, like, you know, I'm gonna be going to Thailand, and that's the reason why I bought this, because I want to have some really nice equipment so I can film all the adventures and put it on YouTube. So I'm just gonna give you a quick review, and yeah, let's do it. So right here we have the SmartPole X1. The true name of that is called the Smart Tree X1. So that's basically this. And let me just open this really quick. So quick thing. So it comes with this, kind of like the same thing as the GoPro. And I guess this is kind of like foldable, and just give me 1 second so I can adjust this. There you go. And I just have to say that the material, it looks pretty durable, and I think it will make its job. And I gotta say that I'm pretty surprised with the material because it looks pretty durable. It comes with a little strap. It comes with a GoPro mount, as you can see, and then it comes with this little joint right here that you can use to attach your GoPro to there. I just gotta say that the amount of price that we pay for this is pretty good. You have the option also to buy one of these from their website, but since I have it, I decided to not just buy it, because that little piece is gonna cost you like $7, and you can get just this thing for like $2-3. So why would you pay a lot more for something like that? And the whole purpose of that is kind of like just if you can do something like this. Let me show you really quick. That's pretty much it. So just for that little piece, you're gonna pay like $37, I think. So I don't think it's even worth it, because I already have the piece. It's completely up to you. So like I said, the whole purpose for this is kind of like so I can attach my GoPro to it, and I think it's gonna do their job, and it's pretty good, as you can see. Let me just do a quick test, and I'll let you know how it works. Let me just kind of like put everything together, because I only have one hand, and yep. So here's gonna be one thing, and when we're gonna be assembling this, I just realized it's a little bit too hard. I mean, it's not like super sturdy as I would want it, but I think that's gonna do its job. It's nothing from the outer world that we can fix it. Okay, so this is gonna be a quick test with the GoPro and this new tripod that I got. Hopefully is okay, the quality, and also I can actually be in frame instead of being like this. So I have to say that this is not like one of the best tripod I've ever seen, and I think it's not as sturdy as I wanted it to be, because you really gotta screw the things on the side like really tight in order to see everything. So I mean, it's okay for the price, like $20-something. I just think that it's not gonna be as sturdy as I wanted to. So I mean, it's up to you if you want to get this. Personally, I think it's okay. It's an okay version of GoPro. So yeah, if you wanna get it, it's up to you. I think it's gonna do its job of keeping things nice and easy. So if I wanna do something like this, it's really nice. I mean, I can't complain for the amount of money that I paid. So yeah, just let me try one more thing. I wanted to try it so bad when I didn't have this. So now you have. I think it's okay. Like, to be honest, it's not like wow, like what a incredible three-way pole. I just think it's fine for blogging, and if you just want to keep it right here, it's good. Okay, and I wanted to make a quick kind of like point right here. So every time that I'm gonna do something like this, and you kind of like feel it on the audio sound of the GoPro. I mean, I don't mean to kind of like use it in terms of the sound, but it's definitely something that you should consider when purchasing something like this, since it's gonna be like not as sturdy as you might want it, and the sound is not gonna be the best. If you want plan to use the sound of the GoPro, just keep in mind, if you shake this, or you might need to kind of like screw it really tight so you can actually get the best out of it. I didn't do it, and I mean, it's pretty good now that I did it, but just keep that in mind, because you need to kind of like screw it really tight sometimes, like your fingers are gonna be like on pain because of doing that, because it's really hard to do it. So just keep that in consideration, because it might catch the sound of the tripod into the GoPro. Something that I forgot to say, so let's say if you're gonna use these for traveling purposes, I have to say that you might not do it if you try to do kind of like jet skiing, something a little bit extreme, because this actually might unscrew, and probably that's gonna kind of like fall. I'm not saying that the GoPro is gonna fall, or something like this might happen. Let me show you. So like this, so kind of like something like that. So you need to screw it really hard into actually making this work. Other than that, I have to say that it's okay for the price. It's fine. And also, one of the reasons why I bought it is because this one already comes with a mount. So if getting one of these on Amazon is gonna cost you like $8, so I'm like, might as well, I'm just gonna get that and this, so I can try it and see if I actually like it or not. But I guess, like I said, it's okay, like not a big deal. If you want to get it, if you feel like it's fine with you, I personally think it's an okay tripod for the price. So it's completely up to you if you want to get it. So if you want to get it, the links are going to be in the description. $27 is okay. Try it if you like it, and I'll talk to you later, okay? I'm gonna be releasing more videos about Thailand, so if you wanna watch those videos about traveling, anything related to kind of like things to do, what are gonna be the best places to go in a specific country, zone. So if that's something that you like, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. Take care, okay?